Hello everybody, here is a selection of things you might see and hear as you walk around Mornington. Number 788 Sorrento to Frankston Concertina bus. Everybody's favourite hardware store. Bus racing on the Nepean Highway. Hospital for dogs and cats. Proudly flying our flag. An apartment block with bay views. Nice house with bay views. House on the Esplanade overlooking Mills Beach. Access path down to Mills Beach. My favourite house on the Esplanade. Beach huts on Mills Beach. Mills Beach Life Saving Club. What you can and can't do on the beach. Crazy entry lights. Sutton Grange House, part of Mornington's early history. Lavender growing in the planter box, built into the front fence. Mornington Central Shopping Centre. Catholic Church. Historic building on the corner of Main Street and the Esplanade. Memorial to the loss of life of the Mornington Football Club by shipwreck. View to Mornington Pier over Mother's Beach. Arched entry to Mornington Park. Yachts laid up for winter in the Yacht Club yard. A nice cafe for fish and chips. Fishing boat moored in the harbour. Very calm waters in the harbour today. Marine rescue vessel. Commercial fishing boats moored at Mornington Pier. A very nice afternoon for a walk along the pier. Mornington Pier signage. Thank you Parks Victoria. Mornington used to be called Snapper Point. A very nice dunny block. The original post and telegraph station, now it's a museum. Will she ever post that letter? Shops and restaurants in Main Street, Mornington. Absolutely the best fish and chips in Mornington. Patty says, no Macca's here, thank you. Shops and restaurants at ground level and apartments above. The old Mechanics Institute building. Historic church. Mornington Library. Entry passageway and after hours book return shoots. More shops in Main Street. The ubiquitous Vietnamese restaurant. Historic old bank building, now a restaurant. Outdoor eating bench and table for Subway. Flight centre for those who want to get away from it all. Colourful bench and seating outside the ice cream shop. Mornington Australia Post shop. The historic Grand Hotel. Roundabout and clock tower on the corner of Barclay and Main Street. And this is where I go to get my hair cut. Even feet need looking after. Nice garden outside the Thai restaurant. And a beautiful flower outside somebody's house. Thank you for watching this video. You know, if you were to click on that subscribe button, that would let me know that you enjoyed the video and encourage me to make more for your viewing pleasure. So, go ahead and subscribe. You know you want to.